1 minute prayer for this evening. If you believe in the power of dua, this is for you. And send this to someone who needs it. Ya Allah, it's now the evening. We have finished a long day at school. We have finished a long day at work. We have finished our day duties and are now coming into the evening. Thank you for getting us through today, getting us through the stress and the problems. Thank you for all the good things that did happen. We are grateful for it. Even though we are now tired, please keep our energy levels strong so we can be productive for the rest of the evening. Please allow our bodies to relax within our warm homes. Allow us to spend time with our families this evening. Please let us forget any problems we face today by appreciating the blessings we have, to appreciate our health, our warm house, our loving families. We have food, we have water, we have our clothes, a warm bed. Please increase all the blessings we take for granted. Please increase our abundance and make us prosper with each day.